Guys, if you work with cold outreach or email marketing, your biggest problem is the spam folder. You can write a great email, but if Google or Outlook doesn't trust the sender, it simply won't be seen. That's why inbox placement matters more than the copy itself. And in this video, we're taking a look at a platform called Warmy AI. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. The tool automates email warm-up to help messages land in the inbox instead of spam. Warmup is essentially about building trust. Just like with people, you can't start by pushing offers right away. Email providers track sender reputation, and the instrument simulates natural communication to build it through real interactions and engagement signals. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's take a look at the platform itself. Friends, this is the main dashboard and the Let's Get Started screen, where all the core tools are collected in one place. Warmy isn't limited to Warmup only. It also includes tools like a daily deliverability checker to see where emails land. There's a template tester that scans email content for risky elements, including spam trigger words. Domain reports are also available to monitor overall domain health. At the core of everything is the email domain and IP warmup feature. This is the tool that connects email accounts to the assistant to build a reputation and safely send emails. That's where the workflow begins. To start the process, an email inbox needs to be connected by clicking Add Mailbox. Guys, on the connection screen, Warmy offers integrations with all major providers. This includes both common email providers and professional sending services used for large-scale outreach. That means both personal inboxes and technical domains for mass outreach can be warmed up. Google Workspace can be connected either through login credentials and a sender name or via app ID. In this case, the mailbox is connected through Gmail using basic parameters. After clicking Connect, the inbox is successfully added and opens its individual dashboard. Here, mates, the mailbox temperature becomes visible, starting at 20 emails per day. This number is intentional, as the system mimics natural human behavior. Instead of sending hundreds of emails instantly, the volume increases gradually day by day. One of the most important settings is the warm-up topic. In this example, a business conference topic is selected. Spam filters analyze content, not just volume, and Warmy's AI, called Adeline AI, generates meaningful conversations around the topic. For Google, this looks like real business communication rather than random spam text. Folks, below the chart shows inbox placement results. Green bars represent emails successfully delivered to the inbox. A red marker labeled Saved from Spam indicates emails that were pulled out of spam folders, moved to inboxes, and marked as important. This action sends one of the strongest possible trust signals to email providers. Another key block is the email deliverability test, which reflects domain health. In this case, Google Workspace shows a 100% success rate, while regular Gmail shows 0%. That means a real campaign targeting Gmail users would fail without proper warm-up, which is exactly why this dashboard matters. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Friends, under Settings, warm-up speed can be adjusted manually. This section may look simple, but it directly affects domain safety. The speed control works like a car speedometer, offering slow, recommended, medium, and fast modes. Warmy strongly recommends slow mode. Email providers value consistency, and sudden spikes in sending volume look suspicious. Slow mode simulates organic growth, gradually increasing daily email volume, which builds the highest level of trust. Fast mode is available but clearly marked with a warning due to the risk involved. Guys, the maximum emails per day setting defines the final target. Even if a high number is entered, the system ramps up toward it gradually over time. Another important detail is sent from name, which should always be a real human name. Emails from generic labels are ignored far more often than messages from real people. Next comes email content. Even a perfectly warmed inbox can fail if the message itself triggers spam filters. Inside the templates section, a draft email is created and tested before any real outreach begins. Folks, as the email is written, Real-time analytics appear on the right side. One of the key indicators is the spam word counter, which flags risky trigger words. This works like a built-in editor, highlighting subject length, personalization, and overall safety. Warmy also supports spin tags, allowing variations like hi and hello across different emails. This makes each message appear unique to email providers and increases trust. Once the template is clean, the system is ready. Alright friends, let's wrap this up with a few final thoughts. In this video we connected an inbox, selected a safe warm-up strategy, and verified an email template before sending anything live. From that point on, the system works fully autonomously, without the need to ask colleagues to open emails or constantly worry about spam filters. The AI handles the routine by simulating real user behavior around the clock, building trust with email providers over time. This approach works equally well for freelancers managing a few inboxes and for agencies that need to warm up hundreds of accounts at scale. And honestly, the best way to understand whether this fits your workflow is to try it yourself. If you're excited to try it out, or have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.